Hi! In front of me is Honor 20e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down a bit, choose Security and Privacy, then click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, you need to click on Enable Pickup to Wake to enable or disable this feature. And when you're ready, just get started. Now we'll read the disclaimer, tap on Agree. And remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can adjust all face recognition settings from here, and when you're ready, just home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Honor. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!